Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use image widget or image module in Elementor free page builder. Okay, so first thing, log into your WordPress dashboard. Make sure that you have Elementor free plugin installed. As you can see, I don't have Pro. And go to all pages and then choose the page you wish to edit. Okay, you can then click on edit to go to Gutenberg, or click on edit with Elementor. So I'm going to choose edit with Elementor. That should directly load the page builder. Okay, now once it loads, you'll have to find image widget or image module. Here you can see on basic you can find this image widget. Simply drag and drop here and it will automatically create one row and column where that image is loaded. Now what you can do is you can choose the image to replace there. So simply let's go with this. Okay, and here you see you can choose its size, large, sidebar, full, thumbnail, custom, medium, two different medium types. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it as is, then keep it center. You can add caption if you want. You can add link so that it gets double click, it will open something. Set the size, width and height. You can increase the width. Okay, right, and also you can play with your opacity. Okay, so I don't recommend this, but you can choose to do that. Okay, right, after that there is also option for border. Okay, after that let's go with advanced options for margin, padding. Then there are motion effects. You can add something like fade in, and you can assign delay of 25 ms. Animation if you want, it can be slow. Okay, then simply update your page and then preview the changes. Okay, and here you can see that slow delay effect is also added here. So you get the idea how to add image widget in your page using Elementor free page builder.